welcome to Arizona Rock Garden Designs with me, Julie E. And as you can see today, we are going to pour on a vase. I've already cleaned it with alcohol, so there is no oily residue on the outside of it. I'm going to set that over there, and I'm going to use up some of my leftover paints. These are some paints that I used for the carnation, Mary Lou's carnation, and it's the quinacridone magenta mixed with the pearl hot pink by Arteza. This one is pearl tulip pink by Arteza, and this one is pearl rose by Arteza. This is a leftover mixture of goldens, fluid acrylics, carbon black, and Artist Loft flow black in here. And then this is a combination of leftover Artist Loft flow white, Deco Art Americana satin enamel white, and a little bit of the goldens fluid acrylics titanium white. So all that's in there, and I'm going to lay this down first as a base coat. Then I'll put my vase on top of that and let the black and the pinks run over, and we'll see what we get. I'm excited. I'm curious to see how it'll turn out. Pour that on there. And yes, I know my mat is filthy today. I have not cleaned it. Well, I have cleaned some of it, but I want all the drips off this for some skins. I think that color combination would make some pretty skin jewelry. So I want that. And there go the cups. I should have used push pins. There we go. And am I still sticking on one? There it is. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. Yeah, I didn't tape the back of this. I should have. I usually do. I did not come to class prepared today. Sorry. Alright, so there's a cup. There's a cup. There's a cup. And there's a cup. Okay, wash my hands and I'll be right back to torch. Ooh. Ooh, there we go. And it looks like I dripped a little bit of water on here. Uh-oh. Okay. Ow. There we go. And another air bubble in it. Wonderful. Okay, there we go. Back under there. Okay. The balancing act. This part always makes me nervous. Okay. There we go. All right. I'm going to start with black and then add the colors. Ugh, it's wobbling. Whoop. Boing. Okay. Come on, all the way down. Help it. It's old and sticky. It's old and sticky and does not want to flow. Alright. There we go. There. It's still wobbling. Maybe I'm having an earthquake. Oh, that would suck. All right. I think I'm gonna go light to dark. All right. This is the Pearl Arteza Pearl Rose. Ooh, ah, that's pretty. I like that. Yes, I like that a lot. All right, Arteza Pearl Tulip. Yep, and I have a little chunky right there. There we go, got it. And that should be okay because there's more going on it. And I'm going to add just a little bit more black. All right, now quinacridone magenta. Quinacridone magenta. Okay, that's pushing all the pretty off. That's making me sad. That's making me sad. All right, there we go. Black. Where's my straw? I just had it. There it is. Ooh. Okay. A little bit more of this. Yeah, that whole side just went completely. Squish it out. Squish the last bits of it out. There we go. So over here. There we go. There we go. Come on. And a little bit of that. Bloop. Okay. That's looking cool. All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. It's still flowing pretty good. Do I need more magenta over there? Got a lot right here. All right. Oh yeah. I am liking this. Oh! Okay, well that side runs down over there. I'm going to torch some of this for bubbles. and we're still on. Come on. Okay. Okay, how are we looking for bubbles over here? Not bad. Oh, be right there. Okay. Okay, everything's poured off of that pretty good. Okay. I'm going to circle the drips. And try not to tip it over. All right, and oh boy, that's slippery. All right, there. Without getting it in the paint below. Oh, there we go. And over we go. There we go. All right, now that can sit there and drip all it wants to. Yay! Yeah, what do we do with this? I don't have my spinner stuff set up and I have no room to spin while this is dripping. Guess we're just gonna tilt and see what we get. What do you think? I am going to kind of wreck it though. Wreck it with some white. Yeah. Wreck it with white. Okay, that should be good, huh? Enough wreckage. Enough wreckage. I'll put these in the bucket before they dry out. There we go. Okay. Whoa, very slippery, and my cups are all sticking. All right, there we go. I'm sorry you can't see this. Try and tilt it this way. Looks almost paisley. Looks like an old 70s paisley shirt or scarf. There we go. I kind of like the negative space, but I don't like the little black specks I've got right there. Let's see. I suppose I could dab them off. Yeah, I'm kind of liking the negative space on this, so I'm going to leave it. That is done. Stick a fork in it. That's kind of cool. That is kind of cool. I'll be right back. Give me a second. Level out. Okay. Oh, look at the cool effects I'm getting right there. Wow. Okay, I will take you in just a second. Is that neat? I cannot wait till this is dry. That is so awesome. Okay. And then I'll take you around and we'll look at the painting. Give me just a second. Okay, it's kind of hard to see because the table's so messy. So we'll come back in after everything's dried. But that's what we've got so far. And I like it. I like it a lot. Like I said, it reminds me of paisley. It looks like a paisley scarf. Hello, Hermes. Maybe that's what we'll call it. Hermes. Okay, next time I see you, all this will be dry and hopefully my hands will be clean. See you in a sec. Okay, we are back with dried results from our pour. That was the vase pour. Look at that. I've already put 2 coats of gloss varnish on this one. It's going to get 2 more before I'm done. But God, look at that so far. Is that pretty? Ugh. Let me try and get an angle that doesn't blind you with glare. And it's all pearlescent. That's what's so beautiful about this. It's all swirly pearl. It's so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? And it was so much fun to do too. Check that out. So beautiful. I just love those lines. And this is showing up really pale, but in real life it's just this beautiful kind of pearlescent color. I wonder if it's my lighting. Here, let me change my lighting real quick. That's a little better. It's still not as pretty as it is in real life. Here, try it from a different angle. There we go. Kind of getting it. It still looks nothing like it does in real life. It's so pretty. Okay, and then the vase. Okay, here is our vase. Came out really pretty. I don't want to touch the outsides of it because I want to resin it. That is so pretty. So yeah, what a fun pour this was. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like the dried results. Really cool and awesome. Alright, till next time guys. Loves and hugs y'all. Bye.